Hi everyone, Gigi here from Dawn of Braids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do two super easy boho double Dutch braids. I really struggled to be able to do these with extensions for a long time, so I'm really excited to be able to show you how to do them today. So you're going to need only 4 pieces of your extensions, so the 2 of the smaller 3 clips and the 2 of the larger 2 clip wefts. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair right down the center. And then going to tie off this side while I work on the other one. So you're going to see where you want your braid. I want mine about here. So, and then you're going to take a diagonal section from right below that. I'm then going to take the larger 3 weft piece that we reserved before and clip it in. So normally you would clip it in your hair extensions like that, but since this is a braid and it's going to be braided that way, we have to clip it in like this, which will feel a little weird, but will be a lot better in the actual braid. Okay, I'm just going to flip that down carefully, make sure it's clipped in well enough, flip my hair back over. Then, so where the diagonal line is that we want, instead of taking it from below to part, we're going to take on top. Then I'm going to clip in this smaller 2 clip weft, and instead of clipping it like that, like we just did, we're going to clip this one normally. Make sure it's not too close to the front, but also not too close to the back, because otherwise you'll see the clips either at the back or in the front. Okay, now we've got it all clipped in and it's looking a lot thicker. So I'm going to leave that side for now and repeat the same steps on the other side. Okay, so now both sides are clipped in. You can see it looks a little uneven, and that's because we haven't clipped in how many we normally would. But since they're all getting braided back, it doesn't really matter how they look right now. So if you don't know how to Dutch braid, it's the same as regular braiding. It's just instead of going over with the strands, you go under. Since I am trying to go for a boho vibe, it doesn't really matter so much how much hair, where I take the hair from. It's a lot easier than if you were trying to do the tighter braids, but you can do whichever one you prefer the style of. Okay, once I get to about here, I'm just going to gently pull apart the braid a little and continue the braid. Then I'm going to take a little elastic. I like these better than the big ones because I think they look a little neater. Yeah, you can use whichever you prefer, and then I'm just going to tie it off. You can then kind of pull it apart a little, make it look a bit more free, a little bit more messy. Then you can repeat all those steps on the other side. Okay, and that's the final look. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to Cliphair for more and follow me on Instagram at Dawn of Braids. See you soon!